Okay, so as I go through my problems, I'm going to follow my own advice and change my absolute value always first before I deal with anything else. 1 and 2 are pretty straightforward. The absolute value of 4, of course, is 4 because 4 is 4 spots away from 0. Number 2, the absolute value of negative 13 is 13 because negative 13 is 13 spots away from 0. Then we get to number 3. And yes, it is slightly different than anything I've shown you. However, if you did follow my advice, you would see that first of all, we have to find what the absolute value of 10 is, which is 10. And then we can deal with this negative sign, which is on the outside, not the inside. It's on the outside. So he's just going to come up and join that 10. So negative 10. And you might say, well, Mrs. Klippel, you have said that absolute value is always positive, which it absolutely is, except there are things, remember, that will change our value of our integers to their opposites, and a negative on the outside will. So if the absolute value of 10 is 10, then that negative with it makes it negative 10. On to number 4, same thing. I'm going to change the absolute value of negative 7 to what it is, which is 7. And then that negative sign is on the outside, so after I deal with my absolute value, the negative can join, and it's negative 7. 5, pretty straightforward. Absolute value of 11 is 11. 6, absolute value of negative 2 is 2.